Hello everyone, how are you doing? Nats here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's, I'm gonna show how to create a new folder or an folder in Windows 11. Locate the desktop and right click and select new and click on folder and enter a name. In this case, type Alice, for example, or go to File Explorer or File Explorer and enter in library, for example, documents, right click, new, and select folder and type the name. For example, PDF. Click in the blank area or blank space, and this is all. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.